In this video, we know how to graph linear equation by using the slope and the y-intercept. The question is find the slope and y-intercept and graph it. There is three parts of the problem. Find the slope. Slope is m. Y-intercept is d, and the graph the equation. And you notice that the equation here is given as a standard form. 3x minus 4y equals to 4. That's the standard form of the linear equation. And to find the slope and the y-intercept forms standard form of the linear equation, you got to solve for y. Therefore, first let's get this in slope-intercept form by solving for y. Slope-intercept form is, you notice that slope-intercept form is y equals to mx plus b form, where m is the slope of the line, b is the y-intercept of the line. Usually we write y-intercept as 0, comma b in that format as an order pair. Let's solve for y. Therefore, you notice that you have a 3x with negative 4y. Therefore, I don't want a 3x. Therefore, subtract 3x both sides of the equation. Therefore, this 3x cancels, positive, negative, and you get negative 4y equals to negative 3x plus 4. And you obviously divide by negative 4, and this is just y on this side. And notice that this can be simplified further like this: negative 3x over negative 4 plus 4 over negative 4, because you divide negative 3x by negative 4 and 4 by negative 4, and this is basically what negative cancel is going to be 3 over 4 x minus 1, because this whole thing gonna give you negative 1, because 4 divided by negative 4 is negative 1. Therefore, you will get this form, the y equals 3x plus 3 over 4x minus 1, which is same as this form, y equals 3 over 4x minus 1. And this is the y equals mx plus b form, which is slope-intercept form. And you notice that the coefficient of x, the number in front of x, is 3 over 4, which is m. Therefore, m equals to 3 over 4, where m is a slope, the slope of the line. And the b here is negative 1, and that is a y-intercept of the line. And you can write y-intercept as an order pair 0, comma, negative 1. Now, you need to graph this equation by using y-intercept and the slope. Therefore, let's plot y-intercept first. Y-intercept is 0, comma, negative 1. That is here, 0, comma, negative 1. Now, from the y-intercept, count the slope. Slope is 3 over 4. You notice that slope is rise over run. Therefore, 3 is a rise, 4 is a run. Rise is always up and down, but positive is up, rise. Therefore, from y-intercept, you count 1, 2, 3 up. Then run is 4. From here, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, positive direction. Therefore, you go to the right from here, 4 units right. And as long as you have 2 points, you can draw the line by connecting them in that way. Therefore, that's how you graph the equation of the line, by using y-intercept and the slope. But notice that you got to find this first by changing the given equation into slope-intercept form. I hope you understand this problem.